it, sir?
Your R33 GTR is on the way, sir.
The goal is R's Day. R's Day is the goal.
Next year?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna drive an R's Day next year.
Oh really?
Yep.
Done. All right, let's make it. We'll make it
Drive me up.
Real cool is this GTR is actually a M-Spec and built R34. So that's a Mines, crate motor Mines, everything in the car. And in an authentic in-one chassis. So today was awesome. Hope you guys liked the quick video. And I gotta give a shout out to some certain people who hooked me up with some certain swag. So shout out to my boy Jack for this awesome GTR mug. This is sick. R's Day GTR mug. And then, of course, my boy Dylan hooked it up with the 350Z Hot Wheels. I'll add this to my Hot Wheel collection. Got a Nismo lanyard and this GTR book from the one and only Mr. GTR himself, Sean Morris. So thank you guys for those goodie grabs. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button, and of course you can find more behind the wheel stuff at GETBTW. So until next time, turn miles into smiles, guys.